Carter from Red's Kitchen Sink again. I'm over here at our Bourbon Street Ice, and I'm going to show you how to prepare sea moss. I know a lot of you are ordering, and I get a lot of questions about sea moss gel. What's sea moss good for? Why should I do sea moss? So sea moss is nature's plant-based source of thyroid hormones, believe it or not. It's a natural source of iodine. Thyroid controls your blood pressure, controls your heart rate, it controls a lot of functions in the body, so it's very vital. So it's very important that you take care of your thyroid. And what I noticed about us is around maybe in our 30s, sometimes our thyroids can get a little sluggish, and they won't pick these up in a lot of testing. But when you go to the doctor, you realize that you have some hair thinning, hair loss, your weight is picking up, you're just sluggish all the way in nature. So sometimes it's just your thyroid. And to actually help with this, I would say this is the best source of natural thyroid. This is what it looks like. It's pliable, and you can tell it's sea vegetables. It's going to not be clean. As you can see, I'm pulling it apart and I'm rinsing it. I'm actually washing it, letting the water run over it. Because it's going to have some sand, maybe some grit, some salt. So I want to make sure I get all of that stuff out of there. But once it's washed, it'll look that way. Then I'm going to soak it. And I like to soak mine in alkaline water or water that's been purified by reverse osmosis. So I'm going to let that soak. You should soak sea moss according to your needs, okay? Now, if you know that you have high blood pressure, you should soak your sea moss for a minimum of 5 hours, or you should soak it overnight. And I'm saying this because sea moss is soaked and preserved in salt and brine sometimes, or sand could be in it. But just to remove some of the sodium content, I would soak it for at least a minimum of 5 hours to overnight. If not, you could actually soak sea moss. I do it a lot of times for like 20 minutes, especially if I'm planning on cooking with it. And that's what it looks like. Okay. Just let it soak for a minute. I've showed you how to soak and wash, right? So what I'm going to do is add my sea moss to my vitamins, right? And this is simple. I'm just adding it to my vitamins, right? Once I add it to my vitamins, I'm going to add some water, right? About equal parts of water. All right, guys, if y'all like what you're seeing so far, go ahead on and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell. So next time it can pop up when we're doing another video. Our videos are going to be so informational. I promise that I'm going to bring you the best. Gonna check it and look at there. Beautiful sea moss gel. That's what you want. Beautiful sea moss. Pour it into my container. See how much I have? This is a lot. I'm gonna cook with this. I'm gonna do a lot with it. So I have about 2 16-ounce containers off that little sea moss that I just prepared. So just to give you an idea, that's what it looks like. Now it's on to making smoothies. I'm gonna cook with this stuff. I put it in my pancake mixes. I give it to my kids because actually it's so high in potassium, guys, that it helps with cognition. So if you got a kid that has behavior issues, let's see, like ADHD, ADD, just different things, even autism, I would just try to give them some sea moss gel, and you can actually just incorporate that in any of your meals. You can cook with it, put it in your smoothies, shake it up. It's odorless and tasteless once you begin cooking with it. So just try it out.